guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install Darktable on your Chromebook. If you don't already know what Darktable is, it is a professional photo editor, basically like the free version of Photoshop, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. 1 more to 90, 11 more to 100. We're so close, guys, so yeah, just make sure to click that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so once you're at the website, it will say Debian. First link in the description below, so it'll say Debian. What you want to do is click this button in the bottom left hand corner of your Chromebook, and then it will open here, and then you have to go to your Linux terminal. You will need Linux mode enabled on your Chromebook to continue this process. Second link in the description below. So once you've done that, this is what you have to do. You go copy and paste the code from the website. You go Control-C, but it's not Control-V, it's Control-Shift-V. Then you click install, and then it will go ahead and do you want to continue, Y or N. You click Y, and this will go ahead and start downloading Darktable on your Chromebook. Since this is a long process, and I don't know if you guys want to wait or not, but I'm assuming you don't want to wait. I'll be back when it is fully downloaded. Alright guys, so once it's fully downloaded, it'll say the green penguin. Then you can safely close your Linux terminal. Again, at the bottom left hand corner, you want to click this button, and then you will go down to your Linux apps, and then it will say Darktable right there. You go ahead and click on it and open it. And yeah guys, you have successfully downloaded Darktable on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also, subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.
With